Hello everyone. So I wanted to do an example of a division problem as well. So here is the problem that we're going to do for division as an example. If you want to copy it down, just go ahead and pause and write it down. But I'm going to jump right in. The first thing with division is that you want to keep your first term, change this to multiply, and flip this one. In other words, keep, change, flip. So we're going to rewrite it with our first term, unchanged. Change division to multiplication and flip the second term. In other words, the denominator becomes the numerator and vice versa. Next step, we got to factor this mess. So let's get started. All of these are shortcut factoring problems, so let's do them with only the diamond problem, not all that other mess. So we're going to start with the numerator of the first fraction. The last number goes on top. The middle number goes on bottom. If I go too fast, pause. And I'm going to ask myself, what can I multiply to get 5 and subtract because of the negative to get negative 4? Well, my only choices are 1 times 5. Those are the only factors of 5. 1 minus 5 gives me a negative 4. And that's what I'm going to put. Now, before I go rewrite it, I'm going to go ahead and factor these other pieces. So for this denominator, last number on top, middle number on bottom. Again, what are my factors? 1 times 4 or 2 times 2. Which ones can I multiply to get 4 and add to get 4? 2 and 2. Now I really need negative 4, so I'm going to make it negative 2 and negative 2. And I'm done with that one. Moving on over to this fraction. Last number on top, middle number on bottom. Factors of 12. 1 times 12, 2 times 6, or 3 times 4. Which of these will subtract to give me 4? Well, 6 and 2. I need a positive 4, so I'm going to make it 6 minus 2. That will give me a positive 4. Last one. Again, last number on top, middle number on bottom. Factors of 15 are 1 times 15 or 3 times 5. Then I ask myself, which of these pairs will give me 2 when I subtract? Well, 3 and 5. Because I want it to be negative 2, the smaller number is positive, the bigger number is negative. 3 minus 5 gives me negative 2. So I've factored all of these. Now I just need to write the actual factored form up here on my paper. So I'm going to slide the paper up a little so that I have room to write and have you see it. So for the first fraction, our numerator is going to be x plus 1 because of the positive 1 there, and x minus 5 from that negative 5. For this one, x minus 2 and x minus 2. The next fraction, if I look at this, x plus 6 and x minus 2. And finally, the last fraction, I have 3 and negative 5. So x plus 3 and x minus 5. All right, now I have factored everything, and I am ready to make ones. Get rid of the things I don't need because they divide into 1. So let's see what I've got. Well, I see that I've got x minus 2 in the denominator here and the numerator here. I also see x minus 5, numerator and denominator. I don't see anything else that's exactly the same, so that's going to be what's left in my answer. So my final answer, the quantity x plus 1 times the quantity x plus 6, and in the denominator, the quantity x minus 2 times the quantity x plus 3. Final answer, so circle your answer, put it in a box so I know where you're at. All right. You guys don't have too many of these problems to do, but I do expect you to work on them and get them done during class today. Good luck, and if you have any questions, start by watching these videos, but then I have told the sub that you can visit Miss Rhodes one at a time to get a little extra help if you need it. All right, thank you and have a great day.